Hello everyone, I am Rupali Janturkar, working as Assistant Professor in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigadi, Pune. Today I am going to present a topic that is renal function test. The contents of this video are learning outcomes, functions of kidney, reflection spot, test to access renal functions. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, learner will be able to recall the functions performed by kidney and understand tests used to access the renal functions. The functional unit of kidney is nephron. The structure you can see, the filtered blood out and unfiltered blood in is there in the nephron. The parts of kidney have been also explained over here. Talking about the functions of kidney, there are basically four main functions performed by kidney. Number one is maintenance of homeostasis, that is, kidneys are largely responsible for regulation of water, electrolyte and acid base balance in the body. Next is excretion of metabolic waste products. The end product of protein and nucleic acid metabolism are eliminated from the body. That includes urea, creatinine, uric acid, etc. Next is retention of substances which are vital to the body. The kidneys reabsorb and retain several substances of biochemical importance in the body. Example, glucose, amino acids, etc. Hormonal functions. The kidney also function as endocrine organs by producing hormones like erythropoietin and renin. Erythropoietin is a peptide hormone that stimulates hemoglobin synthesis and formation of erythrocytes, and renin is a proteolytic enzyme that stimulates the formation of angiotensin II. As the important and sensitive functions the kidney performs, it is essential that the abnormalities, if any, must be detected at the earliest. Several tests are employed in the laboratory to access the kidney, that is, renal functions. Now, the question is why we need to assess? Answers are assessment of the extent of renal damage, that is, up to what extent the kidney damage is there, that can be accessed by renal function test. To monitor the progression of renal disease, that is, if certain patient is there having any kind of kidney disorder, the monitoring of progression of that disease can be done using renal function test. If such a drug is to be administered to patient which is having renal toxicity, then to monitor and adjust the dose of that drug can be done by using renal function test. Now pause the video and write down answer of this question. Which parameters you need to check to access the kidney functions? Once you write your answer, again play the video. Okay. The assessment of renal function, following parameters are to be checked, like renal blood flow, glomerular filtration rate, renal tubular function, renal glomeruli function and urine output. By finding out or determining these parameters, it is easy to access the renal functions. This is basic classification of tests that are performed to access the renal functions. Number one is glomerular function test, that includes clearance test for creatinine and clearance test for urea. Tubular function test, where specific gravity of urine and concentration or dilution tests are performed. Number 3, analysis of blood or serum, where serum level of creatinine and urea are determined. And next is urine analysis, where physical, chemical and microscopic examination of urine is performed. So this is all about the renal function tests. Thank you.